Teijo wrote the haiku about the dandelion. タンポポや日はいつまでも大空に Dandelions blooming, shining sun stays long in the wide open sky. The next one is by Issa. 名月を取ってくれろと泣く子かな。The full moon, get it for me, cries a tearful child. This haiku captures a touching and humorous moment from everyday life. A young child sees a beautiful full moon and, not understanding it's far away, cries and begs for someone to get it. The poem expresses the innocence and wonder of childhood. At the same time, the poem shows how the beauty of nature, like the moon, can evoke strong emotions in even the youngest children.